Hello, welcome back to See the Stories on the 3 Hour News Show. We are still talking about the whole facts and myths surrounding the late Susana with Eki Imanjaya. So Eki is the co-producer of the documentary movie Susana, the Queen of Black Magic film. So Mas Eki, you were mentioning about meeting Susana's daughter. And we know if you're Indonesian, we all knew that approaching the passing of Susana, there was a very huge scandal arose to in the media and stuff like that. So in the documentary, will it be discussed, or you will leave it as just the Susana's achievements in movies and stuff?
Yeah, we covered everything because we need to talk about the controversy. There are at least two controversies in 2005 and 2008 between the husband and the daughter.
Yeah.
But we did that very, very carefully. So we went to do the both side stories. But it was not me who meet the daughter. It was Kiki and her team, because it was in Jogja and Magelang area, and I covered the Jakarta.
Okay, so I just want to ask this as well, because you are a film lecturer as well.
Yes.
If we see Susana and all her films, I can say that Susana is one of the icon of women empowerment in her own way.
Yes.
Because in all of her movies, it resembled the power of women, although the power came to the surface after the characters died.
Yeah.
And this also happened in movie industry, and when it comes to horror in Indonesia. Do you see any reason behind that? And do you see that it's actually a phenomenon?
Yeah, because actually back in the New Order era, women are, were considered as, I don't know, second class. Or passive.
Yep.
That, and in the Indonesian cinema, mostly, if a girl or a woman is a woman carry woman, she either have a very sad ending, or she will destroy somebody's marriage or something.
True.
That's why. So the one of the ways to do the power empowerment is by doing this revenge, the horror revenge,
I
and so on
see.
and so on.
That is why.
Yeah.
Some of the reasons, I think.
Amazing.
Okay, and Mas Eki, could you tell us what were the biggest challenges you faced during the production of this documentary?
Okay, the first one, we need to admit that Indonesia is very, very bad in archive. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
True.
And luckily, David Gregory has a very good relationship with Rapi Films and Soraya Intersi Films.
Okay.
And they did the digitally restored the film. So we had the very, very clear, high definition, high res quality.
That's good.
That's good. The thing is, we need to do, like infotainment.
Yeah.
We need to insert infotainment and the magazine, and so it's very important to get first to find the footage, like from the the gossip
From the era.
From the era. It's like 2000s, 2000s, particularly 2005 and 2008. And if we found them, we need to know who, whether the archives, the footage have the high res quality version, and who owns the rights and so on. And then if we finally found the owners, we will deal with the other issue, which is the price, and so on and so on. So that's quite challenging, but we overcome this.
Yeah.
Well, in your opinion, Mas Eki, how has Susana's legacy impacted or molded the film industry, particularly Indonesian horror movie?
So first off, the way we can look about this is the if we talk about cult movies, it's like a sing-along, quote-along, you know.
Yes.
And we randomly we can find people did the, you know, the meme are everywhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, the meme are everywhere, and then quote like sate,
Yeah.
you know, 2000
Yeah.
skewer, something like that.
Tak pinjam ragamu pokir.
Aduh.
So Susanna still lives even in the younger generation.
Yeah.
Young generation. We interviewed Deka from Kolong Cinema. He wore Susanna t-shirts, you know, Susanna t-shirt
I
with
want
the
to have
Susanna
one.
stare and so on and so on.
Oh,
So
no.
Susanna t-shirts are still available everywhere.
Yeah,
So it's-
yeah.
we can see like how popular she is until now. So this needs to be researched because related to the stardom, the star studies.
Well, like even how to describe how legendary Susanna was and still is, a lot of Indonesian myths are actually based on Susanna's movies.
Oh yeah.
That might not be actually true when it comes to the fact if you check it, but they're actually based to Susanna's movie.
Yes. They call it Reborn.
Yeah.
Oh yes,
Something like that.
the
So it's like-
recreation of the.
Yeah, Reborn is based on the stars like
Yeah, yeah.
not only Susanna but also Benyamin
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
Warkop
yeah.
and so on. Yeah, and in my opinion, this Reborn Susanna movies fail because say sorry, you know, they are not Susanna. This is
Yeah.
the spirit with the soul
Yeah.
of Susanna with
Yeah.
the, you know.
Yeah. With the aura that's
The aura, that's the term. And so we don't see Susanna, but Susanna wannabe or something like
Yeah,
Susanna.
yeah,
Which is,
yeah, yeah.
Susanna is
Nothing beats the real Susanna.
yeah, not even
movie.
close, something like that. So like
Yeah.
just do the makeup and so on and so on, but similar to Susanna, but not Susanna.
Not Susanna.
Yeah.
Susanna, you know, cannot
Be replaced.
Yes, yeah.
So, Mas Eki, where can we watch the documentary? And also, what are your future goals regarding this documentary?
Yeah. Our first plan is to submit the films to international film festivals. We were the films was selected at Sitges Film Festival, you know, the biggest and the oldest fantastic and horror films in Spain. And then also after that in the 12th of October and followed by Phantasmagoria Horror Film Festival in Wales in the UK. And currently the documentary won Best Documentary at Hallucinia Film Festival.
Wow, congrats.
Thank you, in Paris.
Yeah.
And we are still waiting for the official announcement from some film festival in Jakarta and Jogja. And then, but if you want to watch it, the fastest way is to buy the box set. So 7 films, just released 2 box sets. One box set includes like 13 DVD. One DVD includes 2 films. So
Okay.
in the one of the DVDs are Susanna documentary and Sundel Bolong.
Wow.
It's called all the hounds. Yeah, what is about
All the haunts.
about all the hounds. Something
Something like that.
It's so
Something in the line of that.
Yeah.
But I don't have any DVD player anymore.
yeah. It's very interesting
It's
because
quite rare these
in
days.
Indonesia,
Yeah.
the DVD industry just
Yeah.
It's just vanished.
It's gone.
It's gone.
in the US and in Europe
Still
exists.
on.
Still do
Yes.
DVDs.
Wow.
Like
So that's the difference.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mas Eki, you have to know that it is not See the Stories in 3 Hour News Show without See the Game. And today, Rangga will play with us. So Rangga, please come on in.
Yes, Mas Eki.
Okay.
Hello, Ranga. Nice to meet you.
Are
Guys,
you a horror fan, Rangga?
I am not I'm not a big fan of horror. If I have to, I will watch 1 or 2 horror movies a year.
A year.
Well, anyway, let's not talk about me watching my horror movies. But again, this is not See the Story if we don't have See the Game. So now I'm going to challenge Maseki,
Okay.
Maria, and Hans to a game, right? And this is very, very easy. You guess the
Wow.
names of the horror movies
I think I will lose.
based on specific pictures on the
Oh.
plasma right there.
Okay.
Very easy, right? You
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
pick your stuff
This
things
one.
here? Yes. Oh,
Okay.
everybody got it. All right.
I got
I
it.
feel like I'm in a Pengabdi Setan movie.
Oh yeah, Pengabdi Setan movie. That's right. That's right.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Listening to you guys talking, I just get chills. All right, just from.
It's me battling this
Right.
too.
Okay, so we're gonna
Horror
start.
lovers.
We're gonna pay attention to this one. We got a few questions, few movies that we have already prepared for you guys. Let's go for the first one.
What is this?
So what
Oh,
is this?
I don't know. I have no idea.
I've watched it. Oh my god.
Yes, Maseki.
Yes, that's right.
Exuma.
I don't know.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yes. Oh,
right, that's
good
right.
job, Maseki.
Oh, it's a new one.
It is
Yeah,
a new
yeah.
one. It is a new
Before,
one.
right, right.
It's very good. It's very good.
Very. So 1-0-0. Maseki
Yes.
leading. All right. Let's go to the. That was too easy. Second one. Hans.
It.
It.
Yeah.
Nice one, Hans.
Yay.
That was quick
Yay.
too. All right,
That's
Maseki and
zero for me.
Hans, they both have one.
That's Billy.
Maria's got zero.
Zero.
Still.
You're a fan of horror, yeah?
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah, he
a fan
is.
of horror.
That's why. I think it's gonna be a head-to-head between Hans and Maseki.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
All right.
Bye-bye,
The
Maria.
third one coming up.
Oh,
Oh.
I think this one. I don't know.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh,
I don't know.
oh.
This I
I
don't.
think this one is
know.
Indonesian,
It is Indonesian.
right?
It should be Indonesian.
Maseki, you have any?
Oh, what is it with the one called Ibu?
Is that final answer?
What's the movie? I forgot.
I just mentioned.
I don't.
Oh, it's a Pengabdi Setan?
Is
Pengabdi Setan, I think.
No, it's not.
Maria said Pengabdi
I don't know. I
Setan.
don't know.
It might.
Let's go see it.
Oh, so I got it wrong.
I
Okay.
did not.
Wow, I just watched
I
this
did not
movie a
watch
week
it.
ago. I don't remember this one.
Oh, that's Tisa Biani. I didn't.
Right. So
Can't really
still
see.
1-1 for
Okay.
Maseki and Hans. Maria still 0.
Yeah.
Are we going to the fourth one?
Oh, I think I know this. The Exorcist.
Let's have the girl. Yes.
The Exorcist.
Exorcist.
Okay.
Let's see it, guys.
Because
yes.
there's a pastor.
Right. Oh, this one's old. Maria, good one.
Yay!
All right, everybody now has 1
Classic
point.
one.
Everybody's got 1 point. Okay. All right, we go to the next one. Oh,
It's the match.
I know. Yes, Maseki.
Pengabdi Setan.
Yeah. yes.
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 Now this one.
Yeah.
That's
this
it.
one.
Yay!
Yes, Maseki
Yeah.
2. And Hans
We
and
both got
Maria's both got 1 still.
He
So
deserves
2-1-1.
it.
The
Is that
house
it?
is very famous.
Oh
the
man, I
house.
thought that was another one.
Oh, is
That's
that?
it. That's it.
Ah,
Congrats.
All right, Maseki. Well,
yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
you got
this
it. You want to bring this
reminds me
home
of-
as a trophy? Well, Masaki, thank you very much
Thank
for
you,
coming
thank
in.
you
Thank
for
you for
having me.
sharing with us
The fun
about
ride.
this incredible.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
for
much.
sharing your insight with us. Very interesting. And we know more about Susanna
About
Yeah, that's
Susanna,
right.
Of course.
by having you here. Wow.
Okay.
Thank you for having me here.
All right, guys. See the stories will continue after the break. Stay with us.
Wow.